You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. So there's a lot going on here. I'd like to explain it to you, so bear with me. If this is not your kind of item, please stick with the video because it really does help the channel. All right, a couple things. I have made a YouTube pal over the years named Hayden, and he and I both share the passion for items like this, although he is more specific to the sounds and the songs that are on these items. And I am going to go through a list. He gave me a list of 20 of them. Past videos, I have found 10. So this is the start of that little mini series. This item here I had shown way back when in 2012. Now in 2012, I was showing an item like this, making a quick video. The original video is 2 minutes, 15 seconds or so, and then putting that in an eBay listing to try and sell it. Now, I stopped actually selling the items because I wanted to keep them in my collection. Some did sell, some did not. Who knows why at the time. All right, so let me get some batteries in it, because what I'm doing now is I'm going to go back and revisit them and do a more in-depth video like I do now with items that I didn't spend a lot of time on way back when. Now, I have... Ooh, here we go. It's already on. There's no on and off for this one. There's this motion activation, so I don't know exactly where and what's doing the... Oh.
Hi, Marty. Where's Bert?
So something is activating it. I'm not sure just yet. So if I hear a song, I'm going to try to let it play out for him so he gets the full song.
Elmo loves baby.
Okay, so I don't know. Is this the motion activation? Because I have it. Oh, it's off. Let me turn it on. So it's not like something. Ooh, I didn't touch anything there. All right, so let me just. Ooh, I barely touched that. Okay, so this spinner wheel. So let me describe this to him. It's completely purple on the back. There is a blue strap, which can adjust to go around maybe a stroller or a crib or something like that. It says 2000 Mattel and then 2000 Sesame Street on the back. And then there's this... Okay, like I said, I'm just going to let things play out. It's yellow in the front with a purple, like, speaker area here. And then there's a knob, like a blue with 3 places where you can put your fingers in and twist. And it makes a clicking sound. Then there's a little puppy on the left that you push up and down. He's on like a little blue wire piece, and then there is this green area here. It's like a little green knob with Bert and Ernie in there that you just flip up and down.
I'm Bert. Where's Ernie? Hi, Marty. Where's Bert? I'm Bert. Where's Ernie?
And as he's talking, they're talking these 3 stars. There's a blue, purple, and red star right above, Elmo in the center, and this wheel that's kind of half white, half red with little black dots on it, and you spin it. Okay, so... Okay, let's just see. We get different songs. Okay, so we've heard 2 so far. 3, actually.
Elmo loves baby.
We've heard that one.
Elmo loves baby. Elmo loves puppy.
So it's like a keyboard and a little snare drum in the background.
Elmo loves baby. Elmo loves puppy.
Okay, so when it lands on the purple, it's how much is that doggy in the window?
Elmo loves baby.
So that song is the blue. The Sesame Sheets drum, I
Elmo
think that's.
loves baby.
And then Yankee Doodle Dandy.
Elmo loves puppy.
So
Elmo loves baby.
I'm guessing Hayden's going to come and give me the list of songs, and then I'll put that in the description. So when you move the puppy, you get that barking, and then... Okay, so voice activation off. Oh, no, not voice. It just says motion activation. So maybe it's just the motion of this. Let's see.
I'm Bert. Where's Ernie? I'm Bert.
Yeah,
Where's
maybe
Ernie?
it's in. So if it's hanging there and it's touched, then it's going to activate something to get that interest in it. Now, let's
Elmo
just see.
loves puppy.
I think that's all the songs.
Elmo loves baby. Elmo loves baby. Elmo loves puppy.
Okay, I think I've covered this one pretty good. I might show you a little snippet of the original video. That was 2 minutes, so this one's probably longer than that. And I might even dive into one of my spreadsheets so you can kind of see what I'm working with. So now I'm guessing that this, just because it's being activated, but unless it's overly sensitive, it's off right now.
I'm Bert. I'm Bert. I'm Bert. Where?
And this just makes a clicking sound. And Elmo laughing. And it kind of breaks up the song in there. All right, well, there you go.
Elmo loves baby.
Like I said, this is kind of like a look back at some of my older items. And I have 10 so far set aside for this little mini series. And I'm going to do this, go more in depth like this. Hopefully you understand what I'm doing here for Hayden. Hopefully you'll enjoy this little mini series. And as always, thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.